Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to upload code in GitHub. If you've been searching for a way to upload or push a code file to your GitHub account, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To upload any code to GitHub, first of all, open github.com in your web browser and log into your account. Once you are on GitHub, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select your repositories from the drop-down. On the top right side of your repositories, you will see a New button. Click on this green button to create a new project to upload your code. Now, a new screen will appear. Enter your project name under the repository name section. Add a short description of your code project in the description box. Under the description, select your code visibility, either public or private. Below the visibility, click on the box to add a README file. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click Create Repository. You have successfully created a repository for your code. To upload code to the repository, click on Add File on the top right side of the repository screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Upload Files from here. Now, upload your code files or folder by clicking on Choose Your Files. You can also drag and drop files here. It may take some time to upload if your project has many files or images. Once uploaded, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on Commit Changes. Your code and project files and folders are successfully uploaded to the GitHub repository. You can now view, edit, and share them with others.